CPR, technology for restoring heat exchange parameters, chemical and hydro impulse methods. Stage 1. Analysis of the design, parameters, process scheme, and specific installation features of the equipment. Stage 2. Analysis of the heat exchange surface condition, endoscopy, and contamination. Stage 3. Analysis of the effectiveness of interaction between reagents and contaminants. Development and coordination with the customer of the connection diagram, timing and work plan. Stage 4. Connection of the heat exchanger to the CIP module and hydro vibrator using temporary flanges. Stage 5. Cleaning process using reagents and hydro impulses at 0.5 to 350 Hz for 4 to 10 hours. Pressure up to 5.3 bar. Stage 6. Visual inspection and endoscopy. The cleaning process is considered complete when a bare metal heat exchange surface is achieved. Clean heat exchange surface. Increased efficiency. Extended maintenance intervals. Stable and safe operation of equipment. The cleaning method is based on the use of innovative industrial cleaners, developed considering the operational characteristics of the equipment and the requirements of nuclear energy, coke chemical, and metallurgical industries, along with specialized equipment, CIP cleaning stations, for impulse hydrodynamic treatment. Types of heat exchange equipment subject to cleaning. Shell and tube heat exchangers, tube side and shell side. Plate heat exchangers, spiral heat exchangers, coiled heat exchangers, double tube heat exchangers, process pipelines, operating medium, technical and circulating water, steam, lubricants, and other specialized products. CPR technology, a synergy of physico-chemical processes and impulse hydrodynamic treatment. Washing reagents facilitate the transition of deposits from solid to liquid form, followed by the dispersion of insoluble particles, extraction, and filtration of the working solution using turbulent flow and reverse media movement. The combination of these processes increases the speed and efficiency of cleaning. The cleaning reagents have successfully passed testing in the corrosion laboratory at the Paton Institute of Electric Welding.